Hi guys and welcome back. So today we'll be making some lemon cupcakes. Let's begin. So to start this recipe you'll want to juice your lemon. Try and get as much of that juice out of the lemon as possible. Don't forget to line your muffin pan with cupcake cases. I opted for just plain white cases, but you can use whichever ones you've got. To make the cake mixture you'll want to get your large bowl of choice. To make the cake you'll want to place all of your dry ingredients and the butter into a mixing bowl and just give that a brief mix until it incorporates. As always I will leave all the weights and measurements of all the ingredients you need down below. Next you'll want to add in all of your lemon zest. It's about 3 lemons, which is quite a lot but it works well. And then add in the lemon juice, and then you can mix this on a low speed until incorporated. Next you'll want to add in the wet ingredients, which is the egg and the milk. You'll want to add your milk bit by bit, but then you'll want to mix this until it's smooth. There will be lumps as this is the lemon zest. So once it's mixed you'll then want to scrape down in the paddle attachment and your bowl to incorporate any bits that may not have been from earlier on. So next you'll want to fill the cake cases that you prepared earlier on. I'm using a 1/3 cup measurement as this does equal the perfect amount for these cupcakes. If you don't have cup measurements, don't worry, you'll just want to fill the cake cases around halfway. So once you've filled all of your cake cases, you will then want to put these into the oven. I will leave all the baking times and temperatures in the description down below. So into a large mixing bowl you'll want to place the butter and beat this over a medium-high speed for a couple of minutes until it becomes light and fluffy in consistency. So once the mixture has become light and fluffy, you will then want to scrape down the sides of your bowl and your beater, and then you can add in your icing sugar, roughly around half at a time, beaten well in between each addition. So half of the icing sugar I used was a lemon flavoured one. I just wanted to give it a try and it did work out well, but you feel free to add your own flavourings or zest, whichever works for you. As an optional addition I decided to add some lemon extract, maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon. So once your cupcakes are completely cool, you can then pipe your lemon buttercream on top of your lemon cupcakes. As an optional filling you could always add some lemon curd into the centre of the cupcake. This is completely optional as I know not many people like lemon curd. And for the decoration you can do whatever you like. I use some glittery stars and some lemon curd. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video on Thursday next time, so join me then. Don't forget to check out my social medias as I do post on Instagram stories with sneak peeks and bits of behind the scenes, so join me there. Yeah, that's all. Bye guys.